Hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jason a Tortilla. We're at Subway today. You know what? They got a whole bunch going on right now where they have a bunch of athletes making different versions of sandwiches. There's a bunch going on, and if you want, you can tune in to the endorsement. He's covering them. He's done 2, 3, 4 of the sandwiches already. That's fine. So I don't want to do any of that, but there is a couple new sandwiches, and one is the new Mozza. That's it's called, the new Mozza meat. And it's got Capicola. It's got fresh mozzarella. Subway, by the way. A little branding. Subway, eat fresh. All right, we got the new Mozza meat. There's also something called a supreme meat, but this is just the Mozza meat. I thought it was pretty fascinating. So it's got Capicola and fresh mozzarella. So there you go. Am I in the bunch? Am I in an area that's too bright? Probably. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, whatever. By the way, I'm a horrible YouTuber. I don't know how to use the camera. I just can't do it. So quit complaining about it. All right. This is the new Mozza meat. Whew. Got a bunch of spinach, peppers, and there's that Capicola ham. So it's like a spicy ham. Then you got that fresh mozzarella. Pretty aromatic sandwich too, by the way. And it looks like they put it comes with turkey. So there you go, and a little bit of oil. Pretty simple. Here we go. New Mozza meat. Got the fresh mozzarella, Capicola ham, pepper rings. It's a flavorful sandwich. Quit dripping! Bye, Cam. It's okay. I don't really love the oil. I don't think I like that Capicola very much either. It's okay. This is the new Mozza meat Subway. Like I said, they got a whole bunch of new subs out. Go to the endorsement. He's reviewing them all. This is just, they just put this out like a little while ago, the new Mozza meat. I just wanted to do a review. But I didn't want to do any of the stuff that's on the internet. So there you go. The new Mozza meat. It's okay. I don't really like it that much. The combination doesn't work for me very well. I'm going to say this is like a... I just spit a bunch out. I'm going to say this is like a... I don't know. 6.1. It's not my favorite sandwich in the world. So I only bought a 6-inch. Wasn't sure about it. So there you go. I don't think that's not that awesome, but the endorsement reviewed the Benissimo or whatever today. That looked pretty good. But this is new Mozza meat. 6.1. Don't really like it. That's okay. I still love Subway. Love you guys. Love you, babe.